Here we are putting these Python anchor fixings into this block wall through this framing to structurally reinforce it. I've found they've been really good. In our case, in this particular case here, we've had to recess the screw a little bit, but once we do that, we've just been drilling through and you can actually feel the timber pulling in as you tighten it up, and it's just like that. No epoxies or nothing to worry about. Nice and dry, quite quick, easy. A lot more messier with the glues and that, and time consuming. Sometimes cleaning down walls, especially if the wall's going to be painted or something like that. You've got to clean them down. Here you might need to do a little patch of maybe whatever, but these are quite clean. Looks to be quite fast, yeah, pretty fast, yeah. Per hole, maybe a minute if you're just sort of going flat out, you know, but obviously there's a bit of time in setting up sometimes, but you know, it's easy. You can put your fingers in, you can feel the timber going and your stops are going, and you say it's nice and clean.